I was not stopping for a daggone train that was still like a friggin' mile away. Yeah, not a good example, I know. So, hello YouTube. Headed to Illinois today. Going to the world's biggest. It's like got the Guinness World Records of biggest items. It'll make more sense when I get there. It's about an hour trip from here, so nice little ride. So anyway, a little bit about Casey. They got like the world's biggest wind chimes. I mean, these things are like freaking huge. I've been here before, but I didn't take any pictures or anything. They got like the world's biggest pitchfork, which I believe we'll get to see that, because I think that's right by where I'm eating. They got the world's biggest horseshoe, the world's biggest knitting needles, the world's biggest sabots. Those are a wooden shoe, for those of you that don't know. Yeah, a lot of horse and buggies around here. Totally flaked that that's what kind of community was up here. I don't hardly ever come up this way. Amish guys sitting there taking a break in the shade. To Richard's farm next. I'll put a couple pictures up here of some of the things I saw here in Casey. There's like the world's biggest rocking chair. I stuck that on Instagram. The world's biggest wind chime, the world's biggest pencil, the world's biggest mailbox. I also stuck that on Instagram. So go check out my Instagram. You can see a couple of those pictures. I'll probably go ahead and post the rest of them on there too. So headed to Richard's farm. It's a home of the world's biggest pitchfork. And yes, I'm squidding again because it's flipping hot and I'm only going like 3 miles. It takes longer to get that coat on and get all comfy in it than it does to just drive here. The world's biggest golf tee is right there. It's not friggin' worth seeing. You know, I'm sorry for all the golfers out there. I've seen it, and it was a waste of time. And it's got a big ass golf ball on it. The tee's probably about 7 or 8 feet long. It wasn't nothing spectacular. Maybe part of it is I don't give two craps about golf either. So maybe that has something to do with it. And that is the world's biggest pitchfork. Pretty friggin' big, isn't it?